Okay, kick some zombie ass.
That worked.
That work, yeah.
Better.
Nah.
Okay.
Touch on the shotgun.
What are we waiting for? Let's go.
Yeah. I shoot him in the middle.
Reloading.
Oh.
We're heading the right way to the mall.
Reloading. Hazmat guy. Reloading.
Gotcha.
Reloading.
Crazy shit, zombies. This is burning shit.
Reloading. Reloading. Reloading.
Which? Oh shit. Oh shit, let's go there now.
Shit. You gotta quit moving so I can hear you.
Let's get the fuck out of here.
Reload.
Okay.
Reloading. Through the door. Reloading.
And that's it.
Reloading.
What the?
Look here.
Let's do it.
Mall must be close.
Right? Hopefully. You want it? Oh. Which end?
Reloading.
Reloading.
Reloading. What the fuck?
Reloading. Reloading.
Get the... Oh shit.
Reloading.
Don't worry. Save.
I'm a reload.
Reloading.
Shotgun. That.
Grab a shotgun.
Alright, man.
Over this dumpster. Reloading.
Adios.
Reloading.
Oh yeah. Pills.
I can always use these. Healing. Okay. Gotta find me some real first aid.
That's...
Throw the Molotov!
What the?
What are those guys doing? Reloading. Reloading! Got it! Reloading!
The digger. Shut up.
Pills. Lou picked me up. It's good.
The flame.
Got a cricket!
Okay. Oh
Reloading.
face.
Candy store for adults.
Fullständigt agreed.
Healing. Better.
Okay.
Rifle for me.
Nah.
Weapons over here.
Get down with the wind.
First aid.
You were endless.
Nervous. Stand still.
Okay.
Let Dr. Nick fix you up.
The neck.
Oh yeah.
Jag tror han var gambler också. Ah.
This is why we got guns. I got his cola. Let's go.
Holy shit.
We got it. Let's go.
Hello. Oh, no.
Got the cola.
Put the cola in the fire.
Oh, yeah.
Respect that. Reloading. Reloading.
Skön. Where är han?
Hazmat suit.
That's okay. Ah, fuck. Get me the...
And that is how you do it.